my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode. Today we got Paradiddle 3 with 2 paradiddle grooves. So the first one is we're playing the normal paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Like a backbeat groove. So we're having this right, right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, left. On hi-hat and snare. And we're playing the backbeat as an accent. The rest of the notes, we keep it down. The rest of the notes of the left hand. Right hand always keeps playing. So we always hear this melody of the right hand. Da 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 ga, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. We also can play it on the cowbell or on the right cymbal. Backbeat with a rim shot or not, what you like. By the way, I always like to play the rim shot not as a real rock rim shot, which means the stick is in the middle, in the center of the head, and then you play as well the rim. I go a bit more to the rim. I mean, that's kind of a taste stuff, but just that you know. So that's our constant pattern that never changes. And on top or down under it, we are playing the bass drums with our 16 combinations or with a mix it up section. It works with all 4 spots. So let's hear the 16 combinations with the bass drum. Black spot implies bass drum. The white spot is only the placeholder. We're thinking in 16th notes, so it's 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a. And that's what we're doing with the bass drum. Let's have number 1 of the 16 combinations plus. There's 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a. Number 2, 1A and a 2 and a 1A and a 2 and a. And on top. You see where it's going. I mean, you probably all played this kind of paradiddle grooves, but we want to get a really free playing bass drum, so you can play any pattern you like. And you train that when you go through the whole mix it up section. I mean, let's hear number 1 of the 4 spot section, 4 times 4 spots. Number 1 is like ba, 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a. Tempo limit, sure, there's none. I'd like to play it in that groovy way, but if you go up in the tempo, you come into this, let's say, in the fusion sound, like. All right, so that's concept number one, groove number one with the first paradiddle. And now we have another groove playing the second paradiddle. And this is kind of special because we're not playing the backbeat, so that makes it kind of a funky non-backbeat groove. We're playing the second paradiddle, which is right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Okay? On the cowbell. So we could play the backbeat. So if you like to play this as your constant pattern, just go ahead. I'd like to play another kind of groove just because this is like a big exercise and really feels strange, new, but sounds great. Just listen, playing the last stroke of the snare as an accent, and the rest of the snare is like not ghost notes but really quiet. Let's add a hi-hat on the pulse, like this. Okay, number one, or let's hear all the combinations of the 16 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so probably not all. So now, when you're familiar with that kind of groove, you can mix these two parts, the first paradiddle and the second paradiddle, to see what happens. So yeah, there you can friggle around, have fun with that stuff. I hope it's obvious, I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, just send me an email, write me, ask, and I see what I can do. All right, have fun with it, bye.